Hey, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. So today's question comes from Joel from New York. And Joel asks, what legal aspects do I need to consider for my business? Okay, a couple of things. Number one, it depends on the business you're running. But some basic rules of thumb, licenses, permits, zoning laws, and other regulations, they always are going to vary from business to business, and most importantly, from state to state. So that's the thing you have to look at. You'll need to consider requirements of, Americans with Disability Act in order to accommodate needs for your customers and your employees too. Okay. Now that applies to online as well. Nowadays there are, the legal beagle, ambulance chasers out there. You need to make sure that your website itself is handicap enabled as well. Okay. Many local resources must be contacted, including state and local governments, Chamber of Commerce, and your small business administration office. Those are always a good idea to leverage those for information on what things you need to run your business where you currently are. You'll need to consult an attorney and/or a business counselor for advice specific to your enterprise and area. Okay. You're also going to have to decide about how you're going to form the organization, a corporation, partnership, sole proprietorship, LLC, how it's taxed, all of these things. These are all questions. Number one, you can ask them in the comments. I can give you some specific guidance on some of those things, but much of that you want to either reach out to an accountant or a lawyer for very specific details about your own business. Okay. So Joel from New York, I hope that was helpful to answer some of those questions. And as always, smash that like button. If this was helpful, you can reach out to me anytime at strategicadvisorboard.com. And as always, go dream it, believe it, can always go achieve it. We will see you on the next episode of the Daily Dose.